Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to stabilize a video on CapCut PC. So for example, if I would play this video, as you can see, it's a little bit maybe shaky. So if you want to go ahead and stabilize it on PC, it's pretty simple to do. First, you of course import your video from your downloads or from your desktop and import it here. Then you're going to drag it to the timeline. And after you have done that, you want to go ahead and choose, just click on the video on timeline itself, and you want to be on here on the video section at the top. From here, you want to scroll down until you see stabilize, and you can go ahead and choose it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and check mark it, and you can do a minimum cut, the most stable one, or a recommended one. And now it will be processed just in a second. So you can choose the recommended one. But if you want a really stable, then as you can see, it's now really good. So that's pretty much it, how you can stabilize it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.